Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the lecture number 14 of class 10th. In the previous lecture, we have completed our statements and commands. Today, we are going to discuss the operators in GW Basic. Operators basically are symbols which are used to perform certain operations on data. Operators are arithmetic operators, relational operator, logical operator, and assignment operator. Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operation on numbers. Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, negation, modulus, integral, division. All these operators relating to arithmetic operators. Operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the expression is a plus b, a minus b, a multiply b, all these relating to expression. The next one is relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values, two numbers. In these operators, always evaluate to true or false, true relating to 1 and false relating to 0. They always produce a non-zero in case of true, 1, non-zero if the expression is true. So these operator produce 1 in case of true, and in case of false they produce a 0. The next one is relational operator. Relational operator equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, all these operators relating to relational operator.